You know, I always thought you could get way closer to the White House. I was in Maryland and Virginia for just 2 days, but I still did as much as possible. I thought I was just going to film some CQB gameplay and that was it, but nope. I got to see Washington, D.C., I saw the Capitol, the Bill Clinton Monument, I finally got the chance to go by the Arlington Cemetery and see the Tomb of the Unknown Soldier. I think 2 different people got yelled at for being stupid there. And then it was gameplay time at the Tactical Airsoft Arena in Rockville, Maryland. That was an awesome day, even in such a compact arena, thanks to the players and the staff who organized each game. But then, Manassas. The Manassas Arena was next to film at. Welcome to the Tactical Airsoft Arena. I've got gameplay from this AO filmed right in the basement on its 2nd anniversary, and I had like a dozen cans of Arizona to give away. This whole day was awesome right from the start, and I had so much fun even when I was behind a riot shield with a wall of BBs being launched at me. So I'm ready to get in this gameplay, so let's just wrap up this intro bit. Just be sure to check out the description for links to help you find this arena and for the other videos that I was able to put together while at the Tactical Airsoft Arenas. And I'll even add a link to USAirsoft since I finally got to meet him while at the anniversary, so give that guy a good look-see. But with that said, let's head downstairs into the first game of Team Deathmatch.
Get somebody on me! Sorry, bro. But that was his hard one. Blue, get up here. Blue, get up here. I got this. Gotcha, gotcha. Get this left for me. Oh, sorry. I thought you were a teammate. I think you got me. I think you got me, man.
I know I got it.
And with a pretty back and forth game that I assume was won by the blue team for how they kept the orange team back to the walls of their spawn near the end, we can dip into the last game that I filmed up at the Tactical Airsoft Arena in Manassas. One more game of TDM, and here we go.
Oh, that's the spot. That's what's up!
Oh, hey! Nice shot! Did you hear me? Hey!
Oh, sorry, dude.
Let that shit going down, John. Alright, well, that was team on me. Oh, now you can do this. Good.
Watch my chains a little bit left.
Did you get me? I'll take you out of the ground.
Hey, that was a gun hit, but I'll take it.
Oh, thank you.
Joe, do we have this corner?
Yep. I got you. There we go.
Yo, that was a good quad right there.
And that's it for my coverage from both Tactical Airsoft arenas. I already said this, but I had so much fun traveling to and getting to see places so far away from my little home in Texas. I have even more fun when I get the chance to show off airsoft venues to more people in the world, so maybe more airsofters can add all these fields and arenas that I take trips to their trip plans. But a big thanks goes to Airsoft GI and the staff at TAA for making this trip happen, and thank you to the over 173,500 people that are subscribed right now to USAirsoft. Not too far off from 175,000, so expect another giveaway very soon. But until that next video drops from the city of San Antonio, this has been Scott Hollenbeck, and I will be sure to see you all next time.